Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited because I can finally show you guys a wig that I have been wearing for a while now, almost a month, and I just loved how I initially installed it. So it's two parts to this video. I did the first part that you're going to see in a second a month ago, okay? That's how long I have had this wig before I could tell you if I like it or love it. I feel like a month is good enough to let you know about some hair. You get what I'm saying? Either it's going to be bad or it's going to be average or it's going to be great. And I'm definitely getting great out of this because I haven't had any problems with it at all. I'm going to show you guys how I customize my units to make them look as realistic as possible on me. Lately, I have been getting amazing lace on my freaking wigs and my frontals that I've just been super excited because I just feel like they actually finally get it. You know, some wig companies still haven't caught on, but Tinashe is definitely one of the companies that has gotten it together. If you guys are interested to see how I got this look, please continue to watch. Don't forget to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notification bell so you're notified when I upload another video. And I will also leave all of Tinashe's hair information in the description box below. By the way, this is a water wave unit from their company, and it's a Brazilian, and it's a 13 by 4, and I don't remember the inch. I believe it's like 22 or 24. I don't know. I'll list it in the description box below. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next one. Bye. So I have a new wig actually from Tinashe. I will list their information in the description box below. I actually had to lift the knots twice because these knots were thick, honey. I put foundation powder on the inside of the lace just to help the parting look realistic. A little bit of Sephora Micro Smooth. I don't really use this anymore for my face, so I use it for my wigs mostly. So as you can see, I plucked this really good. I'm sure y'all seen what it was looking like before. By the way, it's really helpful to add some alcohol around the perimeter after doing all that you do because you want to work on a very clean base. I've already applied my alcohol. You have to remove your moisturizer because if it doesn't, it's just not going to lay there. It's not going to lay in place. All right, so your girl is not going to blow dry anything right now just because I have another method to my madness. I'm going to add some strips to this. Get that right where you need it. So I just want you guys to see how beautiful the hair looks like in its natural state. If it does look crazy towards like the top half, it's obviously because I had to rake out all that dead hair from tweezing it. I want to part it for you guys so y'all can see what it's giving because it's giving realistic, shorty. It's giving you that. It's giving you that. Don't even trip. You don't see the darkness on the knots. But once again, I promise you it was there. I was very skeptical at first because one, the hairline was thick. The knots looked like she was thick. And I was like, oh, I've had a wig like this before. And shit hit the fan, okay? I feel like wigs like that be the wigs that some hairstylists be like, do not come to me with knots that look like big ass ants or something, you know, and like mist some of it down so it can look a little bit more like controlled and I am going to go ahead and cut the remaining of this lace off, and I'm using my razor, my eyebrow razor, to cut the rest of this lace off so it can look a little bit more realistic. Sometimes, and when it Alright y'all, your good sis is finally done. I had so much fun playing in this wig, playing with this wig. I actually had this wig for a month, okay? I wanted to spend some time with the wig before I let you guys know about it, and I just wanted you to see how glorious it was when I first actually tried it on. And I had to do a little construction to it. I had to tweeze it, I had to pluck into it, I had to bleach the knots. As you've seen, I actually did the most ratchetest method to get so much volume with this hair. This is water wave hair, so it's not curly, but doesn't it look a little curly right now? So I really appreciate this hair big, because sometimes I can just catch myself putting some leave-in conditioner in it, letting it air dry, and it just having this beautiful coily look to it. But today I just wanted to have a more bigger look, and I just didn't want the part to be so perfect. I'll insert another time when I wore this wig, and I loved how it looked that day too. So I just been playing around with it because, you know, spring and summer is around the corner, and I just want to be a little bit versatile with my wigs and make sure I can actually just take certain ones with me and not have to have like 6 different wigs. Also, if you are interested in getting the same wig as me, it will be linked below, so make sure you check it on out, and make sure you take advantage of all the deals that they have going on their website right now. I love you guys, and make sure you continue to stay safe, and I'll see you guys in my next one.